Hello guys! Today I will tell you step by step how you create your own Vaughn app and how to tell a host who has been added again. Brother, if you follow this process correctly, then from here you can make a few lakhs of rupees. Just remember that you add more and more hosts and all agencies to your one person. The more people you have, the more your income will increase. Now, it is about creating an agency. I have given a link in the same video description. That link creates an agency. So, first of all, click on its link. Now, a new page will open in front of you. Here, you will see two boxes. In the first box, you give your Vaughn identity. Now, the question is, what is it and what is it about ID? It is very easy, brother. You go to your profile inside the app, you had to write your identity, just pass. Now, come back to the same page and paste its password in the first box. Now there is another box. Here, you will get the verification code. So now the question is, what is this called verification code? For this, you have to click on what Sahin has written on the gate. Now you wait as you click on the gate and the code will be sent to you. When poetry this code will come, it may take 4 or 5 seconds. Also give it a vague key. Now open the app again to see the code. Visit the UTM message on the front. There you will get your verification code. Now remember that code. Come back to the page again and enter its code in the box. Now click on the submit button given and then confirm below. That's all. You have created agency. Now wait for 2-3 minutes and then open it again. You will see the contact dashboard. You can do this completely by yourself. Now let's talk about how to do it for the host when adding a person. There are many simple steps for that. First of all, give your host his or her identity. Now tell your host that you open your ID and click on Maya directly. Now if you tell me, please add, enter and click on the form below, he will add you to your host. You can see his life performance and income. Now, if you want to give someone yourself, then you want him to add you as a host. He is also very easy. For that, you have to go to your app. Click on the Make Me an Agent option. Click on Me again. Now scroll down. You have to give an option Invite Agent. Click here. Go again. The page will open for you a new link. Copy that link and send it. When he creates this link, he will be added to your list of all countries. Now, he will also be an agent in your team, and you will have to keep his performance. And brother, if you tell me in this complete method, then you can DM me this app. I will reply to you. So let's hope now you understand how the Vaughn app is made and how all the individual connections are made to its host. Thank you so much for reaching out. See you in the next video. Until then, all the best.